Forget your Gmail password? No worries. Your Chrome browser has your back. Here's how to find it. Open Chrome and tap three dots in the top right hand corner. Head to Settings and select Passwords. Scroll down to find your Gmail account. Tap it and press that little eye icon to reveal your password. Easy peasy, right? Let's move on. Next one. Want your phone to announce who is calling? Here's how to set it up. Open your phone app and tap three dots in the top right hand corner. Go to Settings and select Answering and Ending Calls. Turn on the Read Caller Names Aloud options. Now your phone will speak out the caller's name every time you get a call. Super handy when you are multitasking. Next one, if you are rocking a Samsung Galaxy device, you got the amazing Circle to Search feature. Here's how to use it. Press and hold the home buttons. The screen light up, allowing to circle anything to search instantly. Here is an exclusive Samsung Galaxy tip. Did you know the Samsung Internet Browser can summarize web pages for you? When browsing a page, tap the little sparkle icon at the bottom. Hit Summarize to get a quick, neat overview in bullet points. That's it for today's hacks. If you found these tips useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which hack was your favorite. Until next time, keep hacking your way to a smarter life with Life Hack.